Got to talk about the weather forecast, and it's important to listen to the specifics of what we have coming.
Yes, because not everyone's going to see the same thing. So you're going to hear 4 inches and say, I only got a dust. That's because it depends on where you live, right, Randy?
And usually it's our friends to the north that get hit with the heavier snowfall totals. Not this time. Flip that one on its head. It's the areas to the south and southeast that are going to get the bigger snow totals out of this one. In fact, some of the areas to the north may barely see snowflakes. So let's take a look at what's going on the radar here. You can see this winter storm basically moving due east across Kentucky and areas southern part of the state, seeing some steady rain. Louisville, Lexington, that's kind of the line here, the divider line between areas that are seeing snow to the south and places that right now are still pretty dry. So basically right along 64, we're getting reports of snow making it to the ground. Louisville, Frankfort, Lexington hasn't quite made it to Moorhead just yet. So some of this stuff that we're seeing here, southern Owen County, not quite seeing the flakes flying. I think the Wilmington radar is picking up on the snowflakes, but it's looking so far up into the clouds that a lot of these are evaporating before they hit the surface. Either way, it's the areas south of the 71-75 split that will get our first snow showers today. It's 5 a.m. right now. By the time we get to 6 and 7 a.m., you're going to watch that line of snow slowly make its way up to the split and eventually basically right up to the Ohio River. And our areas to the south and southeast will have the biggest impacts as we go through the day. Let's take a look at what to expect. So timing wise, starting around 6 a.m. across our far southern communities, slowly working to the north. Expect persistent snow showers along and south of the Ohio River. If you are north, it's going to be more scattered at best, and the snow showers should end around midnight. Impact, of course, impacts on the roads. Right now, temperatures are above freezing. They'll drop a little bit below freezing in some towns, and so bigger impacts are expected in the places that get the bigger snowfall totals. Totals range across our area from less than an inch of snow to 4 inches of snow. Most of us kind of in that 1 inch range, give or take a little bit, and the highest totals will be to the south and east. You can see that here on our snowfall total map. These are the projections for today from Peebles to Georgetown, Walton to Owenton. This deeper blue is where 2 to 4 inches of snow is possible. These are also the communities that are under the winter storm warning. This kind of middle shade of blue, an inch, maybe 2, especially into northern Kentucky, and then areas to the north, around an inch. Some spots may not even get that, especially across our northernmost communities. So let's go through it here on the Futurecast. We're slowly watching the snow showers drift in from south to north. 7 a.m. you've got snow falling south of the 71-75 split. By 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. it's basically right up into downtown Cincinnati. And if you draw a line from Cincinnati east, these are the areas that are going to have the bigger impacts on the roads. Our northern counties are going to get the easier go of it today. As we go into the afternoon, turns a little bit more scattered, but you'll still notice the more persistent snowfall along and south of the river into the afternoon and evening, and then overnight, probably moving out by about midnight or so. Definitely lightening up after the sun goes down tonight. Then into tomorrow, we'll start the day dry and cloudy. We'll transition over to rain for system number 2 of the week. That arrives around 3 or 4 p.m. and you can see it brings in rain. Northern fringes of the area that are kind of excluded today, you guys are the ones that might see a little bit of a mix at the onset tomorrow, and rain showers will likely continue through about 3 o'clock in the morning on Thursday. So right now, 34 degrees, cloudy skies, so we are above freezing as the snow works in. For today, the high right around 35. You can expect the bigger impacts to be to our southern communities. As we go through the day tomorrow, rain after 3 p.m., steady in the evening, and then ending by 3 a.m. Thursday, temperatures drop. We're spending most of the day in the low 30s. Friday, Valentine's Day will be a cold one. And then as we take a look at the weekend outlook, both rain and snow in the forecast. Saturday looks like rain. Saturday night, as temperatures drop, we'll turn to more of a mix. And Sunday morning, that one moves out with some snow showers. Guys?